Alright, this is hopefully going to be just a quick video to show you how to fix your door knob or your door handle here if the latch comes out or pops out like mine has here. You can see that it's become loose, and so that's a quick and easy way to fix that. So let's get to it. The first step's pretty easy. You just got to take off the door panel here on the inside. So there's some bolts here. You got to take off the winder, and there's two over here that you got to disconnect, and then you got to take off the door pole here by prying these plastic bits. One goes down and this one goes up, and it helps to have a plastic tool like this to be able to do that without scratching your car. And for this top trim piece, there's two more screws on the back here. Once you get all the bits off that are holding the door card in place, then you just go around the outside with your plastic tool and you pry it away to loosen up all the little pop rivets. Okay, so this is a view down through the window channel at the actual knob, or where the bolt makes contact with the latch. So you can see how it works. So that bolt that you can see the threads to makes contact with the actual door plate to open up the door. So if you have that set to a good level where the door opens and closes properly, and you push in an appropriate amount to make contact, then you don't want to really move that one. Which the only one you want to move is this inner one. And if you slide that, you can see it won't allow the actual knob to come out as far on the outside. So you can play with it and adjust it to get the knob perfectly lined up on the exterior to where you want it. Now, there's no way to lock that down, so eventually it'll loosen up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to loosen all the way. And then I'm going to grab some Loctite, some thread locker, and I'm going to put the thread locker right there on those threads, and then I'm going to wind this nut down to where I want it, and then the thread locker will keep that nut from moving. Now you want to check to make sure that you didn't that the latch can still engage. So you push this, you can push that striking mechanism back, and then test your doorknob to make sure that it will open all the way. Okay, so I got the thread locker on there, and you can see how much of the threads are exposed. And then on the outside, you can see that it's now flush, and the knob doesn't pop out anymore. Perfect. So that's pretty easy. Just have to clean it up, put the door card back in place, and attach all the screws and bolts, and then you're done.